All right, I saw a guy on, I don't know, TikTok or something, use Red Bull to clean his grill. So I'm going to give it a shot, see if it works. Got a little sun in the picture. Smells good. But it's not doing what I thought it was going to do. Okay, that was bullshit. All right. Was it? I don't know. I'm going to say failure. The video I saw, everything just bubbled up and then he scraped it. Hmm. Oh well. Nah. When he did it, it went right down the bare metal. Yep. Probably fake. Probably battery acid or something. Joke. I just wasted my money on shit Red Bull. No one's drinking that garbage. Oh well. Well, it was worth a try. It doesn't work. Red Bull does not clean your grill. Unless I'm doing something wrong.
Sure, I'll let you know.